Stop it. Get some help.
The objective of this tree planting and tree caring activity, as mandated by the Commission on Higher Education Memorandum Order Number 33, Series of 2021, is to foster environmental awareness and responsibility among college students. This activity aims to contribute to the preservation and rehabilitation of the environment by involving students in sustainable practices, such as planting and nurturing trees. It seeks to instill a sense of civic duty towards environmental conservation, promote sustainable development, and support national effort to combat climate change. So, hi guys! Nanamid din sa mo ang location site for tree planting, which is, ahata guys?
Nasa nursery sa Kasisang. Magulat na lang mi. Nursery man ka.
Plant nursery namin din sa Kasisang.
Magkuan, napamidiri sa gawas kay naghulat mi nga i-open nila ang kanang gate para maka-prepare na pud mi sa mag-tree o kanang makatanom na pud mi sa mga plant.
It's important mananong gyud mo guys kay the fresh air is refreshing. Hoy! Say ma-feeling niyo.
Excited sa ang tree planting activity. Kaya this will be my first time na nag-attend ani kay ang amo sa una is kanang mini planting ra bitaw siya inside na siya sa school. Which is kani exciting siya niya thrilling bitaw. Adventurous at the same time kay this is my first time sa lugar nga ato ang anuman. And helpful kayo siya nga magtanong tao ka ng trees bitaw kay para ang ato ang health sa ato ang nature or ang ato ang ecosystem is mubalik bitaw ug mag-type ang organisms nga nagpuyo sa environment.
Das kay siyang speech. Lihawoy ako ang kamot.
Uy, kita gamit ang cellphone ni Nonay.
Better ko ang detector. I'm so happy right now. As you can see,
you might be thinking, planting trees? Isn't that a little basic? But trust me, it's anything but. Trees are the unsung heroes of our planet, and they're facing a silent crisis. Deforestation is rampant, swallowing up our forests at an alarming rate, and with that loss, we'll lose so much more.
start ng orientation. Oh my gosh. Bulag-bulag min sa akong kagrupo. Pero Nick Moore and Russell, and then to si Shang Shang. And minum sa orientation ability kaya nag-start naman. So yeah.
Here's the incredible thing. We can turn the tide. By planting trees, we're not just putting a few saplings in the ground. We're planting the seeds of a brighter future. This little tree right here is a symbol of hope. It's a symbol of our commitment to tackling the biggest environmental challenges of our time.
Sugod kami! Magsugod na to, di ba? Yeah, ilapit lang. Nanating tree guard! Amang tree guard!
Conserving trees is essential for securing a sustainable and healthier future for both the environment and communities. Through active participation, awareness, and collective efforts, this initiative fosters a sense of environmental responsibility, strengthens community ties, and ensures the long-term benefits of cleaner air, regulated climate, and preserved biodiversity. By uniting people in the mission to protect and restore green spaces, Plan and Adopt lays the foundation for a more resilient and harmonious coexistence with nature.
So that's everything for today's video, everybody. Nahuman na taog taod sa atong tree guard, nahuman na sa taog clean sa atong area for the plant, and butang na sa taog abono. Now, before na mag-fully engage sa video, mag-asa ko sa akong mga kauban unsang atong experience for today.
My overall experience is the activity or the tree planting activity is quite fun, thrilling, and adventurous. Dili lang siya ingon nga solely kay para lang sa kaning maka-engage lang ta sa kuan, kaning isig ko sa maka-engage po ta sa kanang nature ug maka-connect ta sa ato ang nature. In a sense that we help the nature's health to nurture and we prevent its health to deteriorate that can affect our ecosystem or environment. Another factor of that is this activity helps us to preserve and conserve our natural resources that can be used and still be experienced by next generations.
Yeah. As for kay nice kid kay siya nga experience no kay us environmental students and as part of the NSTP. This experience really helped us in engaging our nature. Yeah. Maka-engage siya sa atong nature and also this participating in this kind of simple activities no mag-exert na og even little efforts can affect or can greatly impact our contribution for a healthy environment para sa atong future.
Our advocacy emphasizes the protection and sustainable management of trees to ensure environmental health and resilience. This initiative plays a crucial role in enhancing community involvement by fostering a collective sense of responsibility toward nature. By engaging communities in tree conservation, it raises awareness of the ecological benefits such as improved air quality, climate regulation, and biodiversity support, while encouraging active participation in planting, protecting, and maintaining green spaces. This collaborative effort strengthens community bonds, promotes environmental stewardship, and paves the way for a sustainable future.